You've probably heard of it before. You don't have to take a pill, no condoms, no devices, no hormones, just you and your partner. But here is the question: is it really effective? Because it's not just about pulling out, but it's also about timing and how fast can you pull out yourself from the situation. So let's talk about the withdrawal method and see if it's really worth the risk. So as the word implies, withdrawal, meaning to pull out or to remove. So withdrawal method requires that a man quickly pull out his penis from his partner's vagina during sexual intercourse in order to ejaculate outside of the vagina, so that no sperm can enter her body, because this method aims to avoid pregnancy by interrupting sexual acts before climax. However, this method is one of the least effective methods, because studies have shown that it's only about 73% effective, meaning that 27 out of 100 women whose partner use withdrawal method will get pregnant over a year. One of the major reasons why this method is less effective is that it requires your partner to have a good self-control. So meaning that for this method to be really effective, your partner must be able to pull out at the right time, then ejaculate in the right place, which is outside of the vagina. But don't forget, even if you play your cards well, even if your partner is able to pull out at the right time, ejaculate at the right place, this method is still about 73% effective. Because there is possibility that a small amount of semen is released in the vagina before full ejaculation, and this might happen even without your partner knowing. And even this small amount of semen may contain enough sperm to possibly cause a pregnancy. And lest I forget, in case you have multiple partners, this method will not protect you from sexually transmitted infections. Yes, so please note that. So but one thing I love most about this method is that despite having a failure rate of 23%, yet it has no systemic side effects or method related health risk. So you don't have to be worried when using this method about systemic side effects, unlike other methods of contraceptives. And also, this method is free, it's inexpensive, meaning that your partner doesn't have to pay anyone a dime before pulling out. So and you can use it at any time, any day, anywhere. But unfortunately, this method is not suitable for men who ejaculate quickly, as in men that ejaculate within 30 to 60 seconds into the do. You understand? This method is not advisable for them, so don't go near this method. And that also reminds me, learning to use this method correctly may take time, and that is why it's always advisable that you have an emergency contraceptive pill close by, just in case you accidentally ejaculate before withdrawing. So in the next episode, we'll be discussing the barrier methods with condoms as a key example. So but don't tell me you've watched this video up to this moment and you are yet to subscribe, not to talk of even liking this video. I beg, yeah, subscribe. Click the subscribe button. See you on the next one.